Welcome to our YouTube channel, Factstein. Hello, I am Kendra. Please subscribe to our channel, Factstein. Today I am going to review about cake stand turntable. In case you're a fanatic of heating, you need a spinning cake stand. A cake improving turntable surrenders you admittance to each the slightest bit of your cake, as you apply the frosting. Presently, you will not need to stress over off-kilter holes, lopsided layers, or messed up bumps in your completed item. We've investigated many choices to present to you the best pivoting cake stands, and the outcomes are in. Did you know the heaviness of your cake stand assumes a significant part in the convenience? In the event that a cake stand is excessively lightweight, it becomes ungainly and doesn't offer steadiness. Then again, if the cake stand is excessively substantial, it very well may be hard to turn. Luckily, our top picks are the fair compromise you've been searching for. Come investigate, track down the best cake represent your heating needs.